Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Life is a Joy and I'm Joy. I'm at the fair with my son. It's a million degrees out here. I'm not dressed correctly. I'm dressed for fall and it's still summer here and I'm burning up, but he's riding right now. I'll hit you guys back up. He got special fun. It's a lot of extra looping and turning. You all right?
This,
Oh my God.
I'm lying. Why did I go on this?
See, I told you.
Why did I?
Now we up here scared. have something to talk to you guys about. Welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Joy, and this is Life is a Joy, mother, daughter, sister, and friend. There goes some light. So I just left the bathroom, the toilet room, because I got something to talk to you about. Cut that light back off now. I'm getting back in the bed, but I wanted to talk to you guys about total life changers, which has been totally changing my life. I joined the business program, something for me to get motivated, get energized, lose weight, get my energy up, and I found it. I've been detoxing now for a little less than 2 months. I've lost 17 pounds, and I want to let you guys know what's going on with me. This is probably I don't know. I started the vlog at the fair last week. Don't kill me. I'm trying. But I'm in my room and I'm detoxing. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So when you detox, everybody knows what detox means. I'm looking for my remote. Of course, I don't see it. Okay, let's get up. And make sure you go to the bathroom quite often. But the results. I want to get dressed later, but I just wanted to talk to you a quick little minute about this tea. But I will elaborate when I get correct, because literally, I just woke up. Bye for now. All right, guys, I'm back. Still in the bed. Remember, I told you guys I was going to get up soon, but I haven't. But it's not been that long. I have beautiful sun that comes into my bedroom. I'm so appreciative of that. It's a blessing. But yeah, I was thinking, guys, what am I going to do today? I have so much things to do. I have to do some Amazon returns. And I got to take Nehemiah to his karate school appreciation day, family fun day. So I think we're going to go do that. I had a food shop. But I feel like getting dressed. The weather is so nice. The sun is shining so bright. All right, I'm getting up. I'm back. I'm dressed. I got the boy with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back. So, we're going to the Family and Students Appreciation Day for karate. So, that's where we're headed. Beautiful day. I can't find my chain. Stressed me out a little bit. Look at my ring. My ring has my kid's name on it. Too cute. I got my seatbelt on. I love riding dirty, child. But I'll pick you guys back up when wait here until the little white van pulls up, and here it goes. Here we go, guys. You having fun? You drink your soda, and you know that's a no-no. 2 sips. Huh? 2 sips. Stay on my mind.
Small towns that I don't even know. To all the He's trying to get him a call. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you version extra rock. For that Benz, I can't see to the cheese. So I switch my girls around. I got family in high places like Jesus. Can I please say my piece? Y'all question to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, like the beatbox, the way the beat rocks, the version of beat rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love. So I switch my girls around like 3L dub. I'm calling. Yeah, I'm selfish. Yeah, I'm thinking to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Baby, I'm selfish. I'm thinking to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, yeah, baby.